Hey guys! So, we just read a story about a dinosaur egg, but they weren't even really dinosaur eggs. They were just crocodiles. So what I want to do is I want to make our own dinosaur eggs. And this one will for sure have a dinosaur in it, I promise. So what I have is just a bowl. I have some measuring cups. I have some baking soda. And one second, guys. I also have some lemon juice. And I have some food coloring and just some water. That's all we need for this activity. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna measure out some baking soda. We're gonna need a little bit of this. So I'm just gonna open up the box. And we're gonna put in maybe 1 cup. So we'll fill up this cup nice all the way to the top. Beautiful. We got 1 cup of baking soda. Now, I want to make our dinosaur eggs a little fun. So what I want to do is I want to make them a little colorful. So I have my water, and I'm going to put a little bit of red. And I'm going to put a little bit of green. And we'll just go ahead and mix that up. See what kind of color we get. And we're just going to put a little bit into our water to make it a nice, fun color. You might need to add more baking soda. I might have put too much water in there. I think I did. So we're going to just put some more baking soda. We're gonna put more than a cup, but I made it a little bit too wet, but that's okay. Let's mix that up. Maybe just a touch more to dry it out a little bit. Okay, now we got a nice soft green color. I don't want it to be too wet because we still got to put 1 more wet ingredient in here. So this is our baking soda mixture. And now this is where we got to be a little fast, okay guys? Got to be a little fast. We're going to put some lemon juice inside. Now it's gonna bubble. It's gonna bubble up a little bit. So once we get it in there, we gotta mix it and mix it and mix it. Oh no, look, the bubbles! The bubbles! I think it's a little bit too wet still, guys, so I'm gonna put a little bit more baking soda. I think I just put too much water in there at first to make the color, but it's okay. You want it to feel like when you're at the beach and the sand is wet and you can squeeze it in your hand. You want it to feel like wet, wet sand. So just keep mixing around the ingredients until you get to that feeling where it's like you're at the beach or you're in the sandbox and the sand is a little bit wet. And you should be able to hold it in your hand, almost like a wet ball of Play-Doh. So, remember how I said that our egg, it's not gonna be a crocodile egg, it's gonna be a dinosaur egg. So, I brought along my little friend, the Stegosaurus. So what we'll do is, we'll take our dinosaur and we'll put him inside of our baking soda mixture. And then, remember, if it's too wet, all you gotta do is put a little bit more baking soda. You could use cornstarch, anything like that. And then we're gonna leave that off to the side to dry. But I happen to have made one before, so let me just go wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is where the fun part is. I made another dinosaur egg earlier. Now, what I have here is vinegar. And vinegar is gonna react with our dinosaur egg. And it might, if we did this correctly, I think we can use water. I think that something with the lemon juice and the baking soda makes that work too. But I think vinegar is gonna be a little bit more fun. So, we're gonna pour our vinegar onto our dinosaur egg. What do you think is gonna happen? What do you think? Well, we're gonna find out. What? Oh my goodness. Wow. What the heck? Let's put a little bit more. Oh no. Where's our dinosaur? Oh, hold on. Let me pour out some of that liquid and we'll finish up. Hold on. Oh, we can almost see him. Come on, dinosaur. Where are you? Dinosaur! What? That's not our Stegosaurus. That's a Brachiosaurus. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our dinosaur eggs. I hope you guys get a chance to make your own and do this really cool science experiment. I think it'll be a lot of fun. So, there you go, guys. And I hope you enjoyed our dinosaur eggs. Bye.